Welcome back. So in this lesson, I'm going to demonstrate using Canva and how you can actually use Brand Kit in Canva. So if you're a small team, design team, or solo entrepreneur, or even enterprise organization, you can certainly benefit with some of these branding that we can use in Canva. So we must have a Pro account because Pro gives you a lot of new features and features like Brand Kit as well. So once you log in to Canva, notice on the left side you have your navigation, and you'll notice something says brand. So if I click on brand, this is going to open up the brand templates that I already have. For example, I can take a look at the templates, I can take a look at brand controls, and then I can also use brand kits as well. And let me first start with the brand kits, and then I'll jump to other options as well. Now here you can introduce your brand, you can set up, manage, and grow your brand with all the ingredients, assets, controls, workflows, everything right here in your brand kit. You can click on add new, for example, to add a new brand kit. And we already have one for ours, which is Claydesk. And if I were to just show you what that looks like first, this is what the brand kit is. We have a logo, we have the colors, we have the color palette. Remember we talked about that. And you can add different colors as well. So our basic colors for our logo is blue, and this is the number for this logo or palette. And then we have the brown, we have the grays, we have the reds, and we have blues. So similarly, you can set up your fonts as well. So you can add a new font if you like a new font, unique style, upload a font, or you can check add guidelines as well. So that way you can entire set up your brand kit. And the more important thing that I want to show you here is the brand voice, because for ours Claydesk, we have it's a technology skills platform. We have latest courses with real world hands-on skills, and this is sort of like our mission statement. And what this does, it sets the tone for your future social media posts, your ad copies, your copywriting, and whatnot. So everything is based on your own designs and your tone. Likewise, we have our photos. You can set those photos up here. You can upload your graphics. You can have icons, you can have charts and colors. So it gives you a comprehensive tool and features to set up your entire brand kit right in Canva. And on the left, you'll notice you can go to logos, you can set those up, and easy navigation as well. For example, this is our brand voice. And let me give you another demonstration of how we can actually use the brand voice as well. So you can write or generate this in the brand voice. Now, what this does, it allows me to, in fact, give it a prompt, for example, based on our brand voice. So I can say something like, write a Facebook post for my new course, brand management with generative AI. So that's it. I could, of course, add more to it if I need to be specific. But let's say I like to just simply write a Facebook post. And what this will do is it's going to the AI is going to write the exciting announcement. That's the starting, right? So it creates the headline and it says, we're thrilled to introduce our brand new course, Brand Management with Generative AI, now available on the Technology Skills platform. At Claydesk, we're passionate about empowering, and so forth. So notice it also gives me some hashtags. I don't have to write this anymore. So this will set the tone now. Now every time I create any social media post, it is going to be using the same tone that I've set in my brand kit. So that's very powerful. So that way you can then write more, or you can say more like this, or you can add to this prompt. You can say, I don't want emojis. You can remove those. Again, just like writing a prompt. So the well-structured prompt and a detailed prompt is going to take you long ways. So moving back to brand kit, this is how you would actually set up your brand choice. You can edit and then type your own brand voice. Likewise, like I mentioned, the colors, the headings, and you can set this up. So go ahead, practice with this. Let me know if you have any questions with this. Let's move to the next lesson.